We came together as a community, city council, school board, the community, our staff, to say what we want for our students, and that is to support workforce development, workforce readiness, career and technical education. We know that when our students are connected, they thrive. We know that when our students are connected, that they are less likely to drop out of school, that they are more likely to persevere and pursue careers that would benefit them a lifetime. We want our students to graduate not only with a diploma, but with a resume of skills and experiences that will benefit them a lifetime. Today marks that day, the beginning of that day. Say it with me now. It's happened. It has happened.
We moved in January 22nd, 2024, and the kids are loving the space. They just want to spend as much time here as they possibly can.
It has been very great. I have had a lot of hands-on learning inside and outside of the classroom, which has actually helped me, make my mind up about what I wanted to do in the future.
What a fabulous day here in Roanoke. DAYTEC is a state-of-the-art facility, and I can't tell you how much it's going to impact the future of our students, giving them skills, a leg up in the jobs, and specifically for my hospitality industry, culinary is a great place to start.
DAYTEC represents an investment in the workforce of tomorrow and economic development of our region. Local businesses can look forward to students who have the will and the skills to meet their growing needs.
It's been very awesome here. I really like the new building. It's more spacious than what we had in Fleming.
Helping a lot, especially by showing us what we probably might need at our workplaces. It's showing us skills we might need in the workplaces, and it's pretty fun to learn exactly what you need to do and how you need to do it.
CTE programs empower students to explore their passions and pursue meaningful employment opportunities upon graduation, and hopefully right here in the Star City.
This is a project that you all should be proud of. Our students are graduating with the skills and experiences they need to make an immediate difference in our city and region.
This school will be a legacy to continue. The love that a man that truly loved education. He loved all his students. He treated them all with respect. He only wanted them to grow up and be productive citizens of society, and that legacy will continue here in DAYTEC.
I just think it's so critically important for our community to continue to see public education and programs like this as an investment in our community, in our city, right? And people are attracted to that. We know that, for instance, our enrollment is stable, and we think that that has everything to do with our amazing teachers and our wonderful programs just like this. Take into consideration that we are going to have various programs here and to continue even post-secondary and post-graduation. We believe that people are attracted to that, and there's something special happening here in Roanoke City, and people are seeing that, and we see that in our enrollment as well.